Hi, and welcome to the Japan Guide Kitchen, where we focus on simple Japanese recipes to try at home. As much as possible, we'll try to use ingredients that are easily accessible to most people, so that you can recreate a slice of Japan right in your kitchen. And today, we're gonna cook omurice, or Japanese omelette rice. Alright, I'm gonna wash the rice before cooking it in a pot. Don't forget to be gentle while doing it. Next, I'm gonna put the rice. I'm gonna fry the rice. I'm gonna set the clock for 12 minutes. Let's move on to peeling the carrots. Be careful with sharp kitchen tools, you guys. While the rice is cooking, I'm gonna dice the carrots and the onions and prepare the mushrooms. Once the rice is done, I'm gonna fry it all up and flavor it with salt, pepper, and ketchup. Gonna fry the onions first, then carrots. Throw in the mushrooms and finally add the cooked rice. So you stir it around, flip it a couple of times, season it like a pro. Ketchup, because it's healthy for you. Mix it all together and put aside. Next comes the hardest part, frying the omelette. Mix a bit of milk with a couple of eggs so that it kinda looks like a face like that, before beating them together and pouring the mixture into a hot pan. When the omelette has kinda set, put about half of the fried rice on top in the middle before flipping the ends of the omelette towards the center. The ugly bits are on top here because we're gonna flip the thing over onto a plate and pray that the other side is somewhat decent. Yes! Success! I did it, you guys! Now I get to enjoy the omurice of my labor. Hey, this is actually pretty good. I hope you enjoyed watching this cooking video. Let us know in the comments below if you've cooked this before or gave this a try. No fingers were sliced and no hands were burnt during the making of this video.